Good morning. It's an early day here in Portland and it's exciting though. I am dressed in my favorite shirt, so you know what that means. All right, come along with me as I take you on a ride to pick up the newest edition and let's have some fun. Unfortunately, that means that one of the cars has to go somewhere else until the Integra's gone. So the TLX Type S is heading over to my mom's house to hang out for a few weeks, and let's go get our new friend. All right, there she is in all her glory. Day one. I needed 5 cars like I needed a hole in my head, but you know, it was a great opportunity and great friends and a great car. As far as the outside goes, I mean, it's really maybe a 9.5 out of 10. There's no dings, there's no scratches. The paint's in great condition. The only thing, so the prior owner did put these custom S badges on here. I am going to swap those out for the OEM Honda H badges. The only thing about the car was the first owner ended up painting the front bumper here, the rock chips. So, as you can see, there's not the best taping job there on the front, but I'm gonna take this thing off here in a second, and yeah, we'll put the bumper back on when I switch out the H badge and just line it up just a little bit better. There's a couple spots that I can tell are just a little off, so. The second owner's had it since 2010, and yeah, I mean, this thing is probably taking a look at the interior. This thing is almost brand new. It's amazing. I'm super fortunate to have been in a position to be able to pick this car up and enjoy it. You know, the couple that had it before me I've known for a long time, and I can't thank them enough for working with me on picking this thing up. And for the most part, there's not a whole heck of a lot that I want to do to it. One of the really cool things that actually, as a S2000 group, we did about 10 years ago was we installed heated seats. So the back as well as the bottom cushion are both heated. I'll show you what that cord looks like. There's a cord right there that heads into the seats, and the cord is technically, it's right there, but it's hidden really well. So when you're sitting in the seat, you're not touching this at all. The red leather is in remarkable condition, just a little bit of wear right here, and the bolster is great. There are a couple things that I'm going to end up doing to the interior. I am going to recondition a few things. Probably going to get a spare set of floor mats since they are still available. This looks like I took this off. There's a clip right here that's broken off, so I'm probably just going to replace this whole piece. They're not VIN specific, so that'll be a nice correction here. And let's see. This is not working, so that should hold, but it doesn't hold, so I'll have to work on that. But for the most part, everything does work pretty much as new. I am getting a new shift knob since this one's a little marred up. So this is after conditioning with the Magic Eraser, the leather on the steering wheel, and you can see it removes all of the shine and gets it right back to a really supple, soft condition. So I am gonna put some leather conditioner on here, and Passenger side obviously is in similar condition, which is great. Nothing in here. So this is probably the one upgrade I'm going to do. I purchased a replacement panel here, and I'm going to end up putting a 12 volt. Just to have an accessory here. I'm going to do a 12 volt because I'm probably going to plug in my radar detector on occasion here, and I don't want to string the cord over the gear shift all the way back to that one. I'm planning on installing a Grand Bluetooth adapter which has its own USB input, so that's why I'm not going to do a USB input here. It's probably going to come out somewhere similar down below. But yeah, for the time being, I mean, everything is pretty much staying stock, and I'm looking forward to grinding through the gears on this thing and enjoy. Right on cue, I ordered a few things ahead of time. It's the OEM front emblem. What do you think? S or H? This is the first fix on the S2000, and as I said previously, the little cup holder spring didn't work. I found the spring, it was actually in the secret compartment, and popped it on, and now it's good to go. Front bumper off and new emblem on. Still can't believe how clean everything is on this car. Thanks for hanging with me on this video. I'm looking forward to making a lot more S2000 videos in the weeks and months to come. Happy driving.